Alright, here's another set of heads to look at here. This one here is a 6 of 59s when this one's made. This one here, it only had an L stamping on it, so I'm not sure what year it is. These are both crack-free heads. Original seats, not too bad. So this one, exhaust spigot's still there, a little warm. Intake spigot's good. This one, the intake spigot's broken. Exhaust spigot's worn and broken. Got one broken fin right there. Needs a bunch of holes fixed. So the only stampings on this was there's an L down in here. So I'm not sure what year this was actually made. So this is a fairly close looking set. This one here has our 59's number over here. And it's got a 0 in there, whatever that means. This one here has some helicoiling already done on it. Half the holes look like they're done. So there's no broken fins. Nice heads. Anyway, this right now is stock valves in it. So I usually put bigger intakes in here. This one's already been ported out for more power. So it's a decent looking port job. Looks like they did a good job. So cut the bowl out in here. Cut the short side around here so you can actually get around the inside that guide so it'll breathe. The exhaust should have been cleaned up a little bit. This one here is still stock on the exhaust, but the intake's been worked on. Stock exhaust port. See how that one's been ported, it's all cleaned around the guide. So I still got all the boss right in here to be cut out still. So you get an idea what ported and unported looks like a little bit. The intake looks about the same. Not quite as much, but pretty close. So it doesn't look like these have been cut. They're both fairly thick. This one's here is slightly thinner, but it's hard to tell if they've actually been cut or not. Other ways of checking. Measure the overall height between here and here will give you a better idea if they've been cut or not. But, so anyway, this is what they look like before you start working on them. This one over here broke rings. And that's what caused all this damage through here, the ring bouncing around in here. This doesn't really do any damage, anything, just cosmetic, but that can be fixed too if you want. So anyway, there's a good nice set of heads. These are pretty damn nice heads, really. It's rare to find them without cracks everywhere and seats gone. So anyway, that's what these look like when we start.